Anal sex meaning any kind of sexual activity that typically involves penetration of the anus. Some people enjoy anal sex, and some people don't like it at all. Either way is perfectly fine. If you don't like it or don't want to try it, it's not okay for someone to pressure you into do it. Asexual meaning a sexual orientation described by the Asexual Visibility and Education Network as a person who does not experience sexual attraction. There are many stereotypes about asexual people, including that they cannot experience romance, though that is not true.
Asexuality meaning asexuality is the lack of sexual attraction to others, or low or absent interest in or desire for sexual activity. It may be considered a sexual orientation or the lack thereof. It may also be categorized more widely, to include a broad spectrum of asexual sub-identities. Asexuality is distinct from abstention from sexual activity and from celibacy, which are behavioral and generally motivated by factors such as an individual's personal, social, or religious beliefs. Sexual orientation, unlike sexual behavior, is believed to be enduring. Some asexual people engage in sexual activity despite lacking sexual attraction or a desire for sex, due to a variety of reasons, such as a desire to physically pleasure themselves or romantic partners, or a desire to have children. Acceptance of asexuality as a sexual orientation and field of scientific research is still relatively new, as a growing body of research from both sociological and psychological perspectives has begun to develop. While some researchers assert that asexuality is a sexual orientation, other researchers disagree. Asexual individuals may represent about 1% of the population. Various asexual communities have started to form since the impact of the internet and social media in the mid-1990s. The most prolific and well-known of these communities is the Asexual Visibility and Education Network, which was founded in 2001 by David J.
Autosexual meaning being attracted to or aroused by yourself. Autosexuality is classified as a sexual orientation, and it exists on a spectrum. Autosexuality means people are more attracted to themselves than to others and may prefer masturbation to sex with a partner. It doesn't mean that someone who is autosexual will never have sexual relationships with other people.